Alright, so let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So the hair that I'm using today is called Yiroo hair. Yiroo hair.com. It's from YirooHair.com. This is the package and it comes in a really cute pink bag, just a simple cute little pink bag. Once I opened the bag, I requested for Brazilian body wave. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I'm obsessed with Brazilian body wave. I love the texture. I love everything about the texture of Brazilian body wave. So the lengths that I have here is 16 inches, 18, so two 18s, 116, and a 16-inch 360 frontal. I'm going to show you guys in a bit. Right now, I'm just running my fingers through the hair. I honestly love the way this hair feels. It's so buttery. It's just so smooth and so soft. You guys will see that in a bit when I put that into a wig. You see how soft it is, how much it moves. I love when hair has a lot of movement. The ends are absolutely healthy, as you can see there. This is a natural state, so what that means is that the hair hasn't been processed or anything like that. I requested for a natural color, which is in between about 1B to color 2. The weft construction is well constructed. There isn't any beers or any bugs whatsoever in the hair. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what the 360 lace closure also looked like. So again, the 360 closure I requested for a 16-inch. This is also body wave. It matches the bundles absolutely perfectly. Not that it matters anyways, because once you style or wash the hair, you won't even notice the difference anyways. So here it is. I'm just going to show you guys the lace. This is, I don't think this is pre-plucked because the frontal is pretty thick. Like, it's really, really thick compared to most of the other ones that I try. So I don't think this is pre-plucked, which it doesn't matter to me anyways, because I end up plucking my units afterwards and making it more, suitable for my hairline and more realistic. So I'm just basically just showing you how it looks. The lace is a bit tinted, so it is a bit on the brown side of the lace. So this is how it looks. Very, very soft. Same, same texture as the bundles. What I do like is that there isn't any combs. Recently, I've been getting a lot of frontals that have combs in there, and I have to go in and cut it out. It does also have drawstring, so once I stitch it up, I can always tighten if it's too big for my head, or just make adjustments to fit my needs. So here I'm just showing you guys how I'm going to basically sew in the wigs. If you want to know how I make my wigs, I'll leave a link down below so you can see that. As always, I use a dome cap for every single unit that I make. So once I completed the unit, I went ahead. As you guys can see, this hair is so dope. Like, it's so friggin' soft. It's definitely like thebomb.com. You can see the hairline's really, really thick. I haven't plucked it or done anything to it so far, which I'll do that in a separate video, which I'll show you guys later. But after I completed it, I went ahead and I straightened the hair section by section by section by section, because I want it to be extremely straight for the style that I'm going for. I don't know why I didn't request for a straight. I don't know, but sometimes I feel like when I request for straight hair, it's not as thick as I want it to be. So I always opt for body wave and I end up straightening the hair anyways. But whatever, it didn't take so long to straighten the hair. Doing the wig takes a lot more time. But I'm going to go ahead and just give it a quick straightener, run the straightener through each section to make it extremely straight, and yeah. Alright, so after 30 minutes later, as you can see, I got the hair to be extremely straight, super straight. The straightener that I use is some beauty supply store straightener. I've had that for years. I think I paid like $30 for it. But I'm running the comb through this hair just to show you guys how thick this hair is. Like, it's supposed to be like, how most frontals are not as thick, but this frontal is dead on thick, and I love it. I love, 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 love it. I didn't end up using all 3 bundles. I used only 2.5 because the frontal is extremely thick. So I didn't use the whole thing, but just look how soft this hair is. Like, it's so soft, it's so bouncy. As I'm running my fingers through, running the comb through, I don't see any shedding. I don't see, nothing is coming out of this hair. Like, I'm running my comb through this here just to kind of like see if anything comes out, and I am not seeing anything whatsoever. So I'm just going to go ahead and just show you guys how I do plan on styling this hair. But before we do that, look how thick this hair is. Like, it's so frigging thick, and this is only 2 bundles and a half. Sorry, what am I saying? Yeah, 2 bundles and a half and a frontal. It's so thick. But yeah, let me show you guys what I plan to do to this hair. So you guys already know your girl has been loving short hair lately. I'm just showing you guys the back. Just a really quick cut. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to style it. You guys will see it in the next video, which I'm going to title maybe a part 2. Or in my next video, you'll see me rocking this hair. I'll probably end up cutting a little bit more shorter. And I'm going to take time and just pluck out the frontal to make it more realistic. But other than that, I really love, like, you guys will see me just moving around, bouncing this hair all over the place. It's so soft. Make sure you check the description bar below for all the details pertaining to the hair. I love you all so much as per usual, and I will catch you later. Mwah.